Hello my crafty lovelies, it's Terry from Veegstez Creates. Thank you for stopping by today. If you're new to my channel, an extra special hello. You may have discovered my channel through Not2Shabby because I have recently joined their design team, which I am thoroughly chuffed about. So Not2Shabby sell a fabulous range of crafting and card making products. They do 3 subscription kits. They do a paper pad of the month where you get 2 paper pads. So you might have seen the video that I posted on the 28th of January. That was on the Not2Shabby channel and a similar version on my own channel. If you haven't seen that, I'll pop that a link to that at the end of my video for you. And today's video is me creating some projects using the other paper pad. So they're called paper pads, but as I said in my last video, it's more akin to cardstock. I'm not sure of the GSM, the weight of it, but it is sort of like a very thick paper, or a sort of like a 216 GSM, or £80 I would say. It's shiny as well, so as well as this beautiful pattern, it's shiny. It's just gorgeous. So you get 4 of each design, double-sided, so 24 double-sided pages. So here you can see all of the sheets, but I'll give you a quick flick through. 4 of the sheets are ephemera pages, so you can cut out and use the ephemera as I've done here in this card. But there's just, I mean, look at these colours. I know lots of people are the same as me and love like purples and teals and aquas and stuff like that. And this paper pad is just beautiful, both in content. Look at the little elephants, like the mommy and baby elephant, and also the colours. So it's just, I just absolutely had a blast. So I'm going to stop waffling on now, and I'm going to show you how I made these 2 very different cards. So it's going to be a speed tutorial, so a nice quick watch video where you get to see these cards magically come to life. So let's dive in, shall we? cards. I'm really pleased with both of them. Obviously this one's sort of like much more clean and simple than the other one. I really had so much fun colouring this up. And the stamp set I used, everything will be listed in the description box below, but it was this stamp set called Me Time. I thought that the stamp would stamp the hair one solid colour, and I wanted it to be different colours, so I actually stamped this and the cat in like a pale peach, which is the very pale bits that you can see here, and that was so that I was then able to make the hair whatever colour I wanted. I didn't have to commit to sort of like brown or blonde or whatever, and I really like the way it's turned out, because like the cat again, it's just sort of the outlines with the little dots, so I was able to make the cat all fluffy and cute and kind of similar to her hair, and I just love this, sitting like that. I always used to sit like that as a child in front of the telly, not with the earphones on, but sit like that colouring in front of the telly, and here I am as a grown-up, well, not sat like that anymore, but sat on the sofa colouring, so I really enjoyed making that. And then this one, I'm just growing more and more to love the ephemera. You know, I before joining the Not Too Shabby design team, I hadn't really used much ephemera because I am such a colourist, but I'm really growing to love it. It's so versatile. So yeah, I mean, this card, obviously you've got the front, which is really pretty, and then you open it. I love trifold cards, I do make them often, and then there's something on every page. I've left it like this so that if you just wanted to leave a short message, you can in one of the bubbles, or you could write an essay over here. And then I did the pink in the Kitsch Flamingo and picked Raspberry, which they're very similar colours, but there is more depth to the picked Raspberry, and I think they worked really well together. And I've sort of done it in like half a heart, and then I think the introduction of the yellow was nice, because obviously there isn't any yellow in the actual paper pad itself, but we can see by the top there that it goes very well with the colours in this pack. So yeah, so I'm really happy with both of them. So I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial. If you are one of my regulars and didn't know, I have joined the Not Too Shabby design team from January, and I'd really encourage you to go and check out the Not Too Shabby shop. So because their stamps are absolutely adorable, the paper pads are so great. So next month I've got the box of the month, so I'll actually be posting my first video for that tomorrow, so I hope you'll come back and watch that. And if you found value in this video, if you've picked up any new tips, I'd be really grateful if you would hit the like button, and maybe leave me a comment as well, as those things help YouTube to know that people like my videos, and then they show them to more people. So there we go. So I'll see you soon. Well, I'll see you tomorrow with some more crafty goodness. Bye for now.